Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in discussion 2, the annotated outline for your research paper, 750 words, 50 points. All right, let's survey this assignment together. The first thing we see is this video about this assignment. This is the video you're currently watching and listening to. Scrolling down, what do we see? We have 4 links, due dates, the discussion rubric, how I evaluate your work in this assignment, the overview to this assignment, and the requirements. We also have a part 1 and we have a part 2. All right, I'm going to go ahead and click on the due dates so that you're aware of them. So our due dates for this assignment: post part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Thursday and post part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Saturday. If you think that you cannot meet these due dates, come over here to inbox, email me, have a conversation with me, let me know what's going on, and I'll do my best to help you. All right, I'm using the back arrow to get back into the assignment, and we are here to the links again. I'm going to ask you to read the discussion rubric on your own, the overview, and the requirements. Please be aware that you have information you need to read in these links. Okay, I am going to read part 1 with you. Part 1 is answer the questions in this link. Do not number your answers to the questions. Write an informal essay like a journal, sharing your thoughts, ideas, and feelings about the question topics. Write a minimum of 500 words, 2 pages. So let's look at the link. We have annotated outline questions. We have a video to watch in these questions, and we have 5 questions in total. Okay, I'm going to use the back arrow to get back into the assignment. And now I'm going to read part 2. Respond to 2 of your peers' postings, 125 words, half a page for each response, for a total of 250 words a page. What should you write in your response? Compare your thoughts about the assignment to your peers' thoughts. 1, does the assignment provide a good overview of what we'll be doing in class? And 2, do the narrative hook and annotated outline seem like a good way to begin the paper and organize your thoughts at the beginning of this class? Okay, I'm going to scroll up to the top of the assignment. I'm going to remind you that I'm here in inbox. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to email me. You're never bothering me. You're never emailing me too much. If an assignment isn't clear, you need to help me make it clear. Teach me how to make it clear. Okay, so let's get started on discussion 2.